Hey there again, this is Scott Hollenbeck bringing you another great gameplay today. This game is basically capture the flag, with about 8 players against 3, but with a twist. One of the 3 members of the attacking team is a Juggernaut. That's right, he must capture a flag and keep it for 30 seconds with only 2 team members to protect him. Listen to the game masters as you watch, and I have to say this was a great game that I love filming. It was so enjoyable, and remember, if you enjoy this too, like and subscribe to see more of these crazy games.
Watch your back, watch your back. Right in front of me. Yeah. Back there. Yeah. Okay, we're right there, ready. Hey! Adam. Yeah. Where is it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Are we good?
Remember, after you killed, please watch the continuous fire. We do not want anyone getting injured because you can't hear them call hit.
Cross the path, cross the path.
Oh. Again, watch the continuous fire.
Oh, I put my battery. He's taking each.
In that scene you just saw, the continuous fire actually ended up killing the battery of the Juggernaut, so now he's left with just a pistol.
You're gonna screw your gun up and somebody else's face up.
Hit! 13. You think you can make it through that quick run? You can walk right through. You can get to the front of this room.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Let's just
19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Just
7, 8, 9, 10.
No, he's moving and coming. Watch his back.
When y'all are hit, tell me so I can come back.
Bodyguard hit. Bodyguard hit. Sorry.
You go on the wall.
James!
I see it.
Back there. He's near the wall. Come on.
Watch 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Stay here.
14.
James, spray him!
22,
All right, behind me.
3,
Wall on me, wall on me, behind me, behind me, behind me.
7, 8,
We should take a charge.
9, that's 30.
Game! Woo!
Sit the back of your head. Yeah, no holes, no dents.
Nobody hit me. They hit me in the back of they hit me in the butt.
Yeah, they shot me when y'all were on this side of the field, and I was way down there. I'm like, wait, really?
Nice.
Hey, Gabe!
Good job, guys. You guys really.
That's game, guys! Bring it in!
I killed my I killed my battery. Here, somebody grab that. Phone. Here. No, just the phone.
Justin, last week there was this Jugga lot and he died like in the first 10 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, one of our friends hid in the bushes.
Yeah, I remember y'all got him.
But y'all forgot, like I kept telling y'all, like, use me as a wall. I don't have to stop walking. I only have to stop when y'all get hit.
I was trying to use you as a wall. I was trying.
And if you're worried about hitting them at a different just tell me where they're at. We'll walk up on them.
That's fun. I didn't even get hit that hard too.
I noticed they all started wrapping around.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were coming around back.
I took it in and I saw you coming. I was like, nope, I'm going back.
You got hit 2 times. 1 more and you would have been out.
I did get hit too?
Yep.
Okay.
Just twice, though.
That's fine.
How'd you get out?
Huh?
How'd you get out? He didn't get out.
He didn't
He
use
won.
He defused the bomb.
Oh,
Juggernaut bomb's gone.
Yeah, I just walked straight in here. And then they were like, hey, the flag's over there. I was like, oh, okay. Because we were back there. I was about to walk down this way. And he's like, hey, there's a flag. I was like, yeah, I see it. And I walked
Well,
back
the
and
thing
got
to
it.
do, I mean, once you get your hands on the flag, you've got to stay alive for 30 seconds without your hands on the gun. You're defenseless for 30 seconds. That's when they're supposed to go in and get you, and they didn't even try.
Well, what I did was I took the flag because I didn't have to stay.
pistol and the flag.
I had both hands on the flag.
He had all of his fingers
got it.
touching the flag. And he was
Except the trigger finger.
Trigger finger's all the way through.
You actually have a BB just sitting right there, pretty.
He actually had it wrapped around at the same time. So
So you cheated.
he was kind of doing this thing.
Yeah, I
I
get it.
lawyered it.
That's cool. You lawyered it. Yeah.
I straight
You
up
got hit twice.
I straight up lawyered
You got
it.
hit twice. They got you twice in the
See?
back.
The mistake that they made was they all started off on Southfield instead of in Centerfield.
I tried to
Well, no, because they had a
That's
couple,
what they were supposed
they
to
had
do.
a couple, they had a couple of guys sitting on the trail right here. But the second I started coming up shooting, they were like, no, and they just left.
No.
Smart man. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
smart.
they're-